is a sponsored video for this office chair. We're going to go ahead and assemble it. So this is the base right here. I took this little plastic part off. I'll put that back on later. The first thing we're going to do is start attaching the legs. So you just slide those on. You make sure this is facing downward like it's supposed to. And we attach it with the alpha bolts. And it does come with this tool, and that I think is all you're going to need to assemble the entire office chair. So let's go ahead and finish this base up. So we can put this little plastic piece back on, and then the next step is to install the casters. So that's always pretty easy. You just pop these in to the holes here. Just pop them right in. Then the next thing is to drop the gas lift cylinder in here just like that, and the bottom part is done. The next step is to assemble the upper and lower part of the backrest. You can see there's a groove here. We just put that on the front though, like that, match those holes up, and we use bolts Delta. The next thing we're going to do is attach the bottom part of the right arm to the backrest. You can see it kind of has a groove here, it fits up in there, and you can attach that with a D bolt. Next, we're going to attach the right upper arm, and this actually has an R written in it, and you attach that right here, and this will be able to lift up like that once we're done, so you can get it out of your way, slide it under a desk for instance. We use this plastic washer S1, put that over the screw hole, and we use a B bolt to keep that in place. So that part is done. We can use this like decorative cap and just pop that in over top of it to make it look nicer. And that side's finished. We'll just go ahead and complete the same steps on the other side. Now the next step is to attach the backrest with the bottom of the armrest to the seat. So you can see we have like 3 pre-drilled holes right here. That matches up with this bottom right here. This is the bottom of the armrest of the backrest. So we're just gonna go ahead and attach that and use bolts E and the G washers. Now that that part is done, we're going to attach the lift assembly, and we're gonna put the lift handle on the right side, and we attach that with washers and B bolts. Then next we're gonna take the bottom part of the chair, flip it over, put it into the hole on the base of the lift assembly, flip our chair back upright on the floor, and we'll almost be done. The very last step is to place this cosmetic cap across the back. Just snap that into place. And now we're done. We can take a look at the details of our chair. So here's what the chair looks like completed. So this does have several different adjustments that you can use with it, like putting these up out of the way. So for instance, this will slide under my desk. We have this lumbar support. This kind of just like bends to conform with your back. Now let's actually set in this and try it out. Oh, very nice and comfortable. I love how you can take these, lift them up out of the way. We can adjust the seat height very easily. We also have an adjustment under here, and that controls how far back you want your chair to lean. So let's take a closer look at this now. And here's what it looks like in front of my desk. It fits under there perfectly. Already tried that. I like how this is kind of like a slimmer chair than some of them, so it's not going to take up quite as much space here in my office area. But yeah, like I said, these lift up and out of the way, so we can slide this very easily under my desk. So really nice, comfortable chair. It has the nice cushion here, really nice and thick, and then here you can see it's kind of like a mesh fabric to make it more breathable and comfortable while you're sitting at your desk for a long period of time. So yeah, really happy with it. And this took about like a half hour or less to assemble, so really easy to assemble too.